Hello everyone, welcome to our another video in the series on mastering data structures and algorithms. Today we'll be talking about case number 2A, insertion into two-way linked list. So let's begin. I'm Dr. Prashant K. Gupta. This is the link to my website. It contains lots of useful materials for all people. Please visit this website. Now today we'll be talking about insertions into two-way linked list. Case 2A, that is insertion at a specific location and our linked list is unsorted. Therefore, in this scenario, insertion will take place on the basis of position value. Position will be supplied to us directly into the program, and we have to search for the exact position and insert the node at that position. We have called our procedure TW insert POSU, that is insertion on the basis of position, linked list being unsorted, and the linked list of type two-way. We are given two pointers start and end that contain the address of the first and the last nodes respectively. New will be used to allocate the memory dynamically to a new node that is to be inserted. Its information part will be initialized with the data value. So let's see. We'll initially check if starts value is null. So we'll be calling the two-way add one function. Now this is different from the two-way insert beginning procedure. If in case position is 1, so we'll be calling two-way insert begin. Now these two are different. This algorithm or procedure we have discussed in the introductory video to the two-way linked list, and this we have discussed in the previous video. So please go and have a look at it. Now, if none of these two cases are true, so control jumps to the else part, where we initialize the value of the counter, we initialize the value of the previous and next, and we check if counter's value is less than position minus 1. So counter is incremented. We assign previous as the value of next, and next is incremented by using this statement to point to the next node. After exiting out of the while loop, we will allocate the new memory dynamically. We will initialize this info part with the data value. We will assign its forward link as the address of the next. We will assign its backward link with the address of the previous, and then previous forward link will be made equal to new and next backward link will be made equal to new. So these four statements are responsible for inserting the node at the appropriate location inside the two-way linked list by the pointer manipulation. Let's say we are given the position of insertion as 2. Therefore, the index of insertion will become 2 minus 3 minus 1, that is 2. Position of insertion is 3, so index will become 2. So since start is not null, we are given this two-way linked list. So therefore, this procedure will not be called two-way add 1, and also position value is not 1. Therefore, this procedure will also not be called. Now the control jumps to the else part, initializes the value of the counter by setting it to 0. Previous and next both are made to point to the start, that is the address of the first node. Now in this while loop, this check is performed, that is counter's value, that is 0. Is it less than position minus 1, that is 2? If this is true, so we initialize the counter's value and increment it. So counter becomes 1. Previous is set to the value of next, and next becomes the value next of f-link. Now we again check counter's value, that is 1, is still less than position minus 1, that is 2. So counter is incremented. Previous is set to next, and next is set to next of f-link. Now we see over here counter's value is 2, which is equals to position minus 1. So therefore this check in the while loop fails. This while loop exits. Now we allocate memory to the new dynamically, as well as initialize its info part with the data value. Now we initialize this forward link with the address of the next, that is the node that will occur ahead of the node new in the two-way linked list. So therefore you can see over here this earlier data value was f-link, now has become next. Over here, now we assign its backward link with the value of the previous, which was earlier backlink, now gets the address of previous. Now we allocate previous forward link equals to new. So you can see over here, this earlier had some other value, now it becomes new. So you can also see over here, this link is broken and this new link is established. Now we allocate new's backward link equal to new. So therefore you can see this backward link gets the address of the new. This link which earlier existed into the two-way linked list is now broken and this new link is established. So therefore, our final two-way linked list becomes like this, where we start with the start node, we go to this node, now we have to visit this node, and therefore we come to this node until we reach the last node. This is a pretty big program, so therefore this C program is available on this website. Please visit over here in this appropriate section. Thank you all for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more and more good videos. Thank you.